Good morning, my friends. Hope all you're doing well. I'm Ellen, and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to Are you looking for a great recipe to serve for your holiday breakfast or brunches coming up? Y'all will fall in love with these eggnog pancakes. It is so delicious, thebomb.com, full of eggnog goodness, and as always, it is so simple and easy to make, and everybody will go crazy over these pancakes. And these pancakes were also great to make with your kids, and a great breakfast to serve on Christmas morning. Also, I'll post a link to my homemade eggnog recipe down below in the description box if you're interested in making it. So grab your eggnog and your flour sugar, because we're about to cook some eggnog pancake magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, in my large bowl, I have 1.5 cups of self-rising flour. And we're going to add in 1.5 tablespoons of white sugar, a half a teaspoon of my homemade pumpkin pie spice. I'll post a link to that recipe down below in the description box, and a half a teaspoon of baking soda. I'm going to whisk the dry ingredients together. Alright, my friends, now it's time to add in the wet ingredients. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of butter extract, 1 light and beaten egg, and now the star of the show, 1 cup of eggnog. And we're going to whisk everything until it's nice and well combined. I love the smell of eggnog. Alright, my friends, I'm through mixing everything together. We can heat up our skillet. Alright, my friends, in my cast iron skillet, or you can use a griddle, I melted some shortening, or you can use butter or some cooking spray. Now we're ready to cook the pancakes. Oh yes. Alright, so now we're going to let the pancake cook until it's nice and golden brown. Alright, my friends, now it's time to flip the pancake. Wish me luck. Gorgeous! Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish cooking the rest of my pancakes, and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through fixing my eggnog pancakes. I fixed 3. Look how nice and golden brown that looks. Smells amazing. Alright, there's a couple more things we got to add to them. A little drizzling of maple syrup and some whipped cream and the dusting of pumpkin pie spice. And there you have it, my friends, homemade eggnog pancakes. That looks mighty tasty and my mouth's watering. Alright, I'm about to give these a taste. Alright, my friends, here we go. Nice and fluffy. Oh, I can taste the eggnog and the butter extract. Great balance of flavors. If y'all love eggnog and pancakes, please try this recipe. These are incredible. This deserves another bite. Eggnog pancake delicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I see y'all on the next video. Let's eat, Merry Christmas, and Happy Holidays.